Hello and welcome. This is Mdasir from civiltechnologyforyou.com, and today in this session we will discuss about layers. Here in front of you, this is a two-room plan, and here you can see some of the entities in different colors. For example, wall, doors and windows and these text. Okay, these all are in different colors. So this is just because of these are under different layers. Okay, the walls are under different layers, doors are under different layers, windows are under different layers, and text are under different layers. Okay, so this is the layer palette under home tab. You can see this is the layer palette, and I will just open the layer properties palette. Okay, from here, this is the option for layer properties palette. I will click on this one. This layer properties palette dialog box will be open in front of you, and here you can see I have just created some of the layers like walls, doors, windows, text. Okay, you can see here for walls I have just give a color of what? Yellow, red, likewise. Okay, now from here I can just create any layer. So let me just anchor this layer property palette to the left. I will right click here on this bar. Okay, right click here. Now it is asking about allow docking. I will click here. Now again I will right click here. Now there is one option like anchor left. Okay, I will click here. Now you can see here layer property palette will be anchor at left. Whenever I will just move my mouse cursor on this icon, this is layer property palette, this palette will be appear in front of me. Okay, now I can make change, and when I will just move my mouse cursor to the screen, on this screen, this layer palette will be hide. Okay, now again I will move my mouse cursor. Okay, I will just point here. Now it is appear in front of me. Now I will just move my mouse cursor toward this screen. Now it is disappear. Okay, so now it is just anchor to the left. Whenever you need layer property palette, you will go here. You can just make changes from here. So here in this layer property palette there are some options. I will just discuss all of these options, but first I will just create a layer. To create a layer, this is the icon for create a new layer, or you can use this command. As you can see, Alt plus N. Okay, so I will just select here this icon. Okay, now here I can give the layer name. Okay, for example, I want to give name as rectangle. Okay, what? REC, rectangle. Okay, and for now I will change the color from here. Okay, you can change the color from here. I will select this one and I will choose any of the color from here. I will select this one and I will press OK. For now I want to make this layer as a current layer. To do so, I will go here. This is the icon to set a layer as a current layer. Okay, I will select that particular layer. I will go here. I will click on this one. Now this layer, as you can see, this is the tick mark. Okay, this layer is a default layer. Now whenever I will work here, okay, on this screen, the layer will be what? Rectangle layer. For example, I want to make rectangle here, REC for rectangle. I will hit enter. I will give first point, then I will give second point. Okay, I will select this one. Okay, and I will right click here. I will go into the properties. Now you can see this is the layer, what? Rectangle layer. Or you can see here on this layer panel, this is a rectangle layer. Okay, these all are different kind of layers, and now for now this entity is under rectangle layer. Okay, this is how we can create a layer. So maybe you will be thinking about what is the benefit of layer. So there are a lot of benefit of layers. Okay, for example, I just want to hide this text. Okay, instead of delete this text, I want to just hide this text. I can hide this one because these are in layers. I will go into the layer properties palette. Okay, and these are the text layer. This is the text layer, and I can hide from here. You can see this is the column for on and off, and when I will click on this bulb, this layer will be off. Now just move this cursor to the screen. Let's see that text. These are invisible right now. Okay, so this is the benefit of layer. If you are just working on a big drawing and there are a lot of things, and if you want to just focus on only one thing, what you can do, you can just off all other layers. Okay, and you can do only work on that particular layer. So that is the benefit of this. For example, I just want to hide these doors. For example, I do not need these doors. So what I will do, I will go into the property palette. I will go into the door layers. This is the door layer, and I will off this one. Okay, I will select this one. Now you can see this bulb is just turned into gray. Okay, now it's mean this layer is off. I will just go into the screen right now, and you can see these doors are invisible right now. Okay, not visible. So for example, I want to just hide this rectangle. Again, I will go into the properties. Okay, again I will go into the rectangle layer, and I will select this one. Whenever I will select this one, it is saying that turn the current layer off, as this is the current layer. So from here I will just turn off this layer, and I can make any other layer as a default layer. Okay, for example, if this is a default layer, I will go here. Okay, and I want to just draw anything here. Again, I want to draw rectangle. I will go here. You can see this layer is off. Okay, that is why nothing is going to drawn. Okay, so I will go again into the property palette. I will go here. I can make any other layer as a default layer. For example, I need walls. Okay, and I will make this as a default layer. Okay, so I will go here. I will tick this one. Now when I will just draw anything here, it will be under wall layer. Okay, so in AutoCAD, working in a layer is a very good thing. Okay, again I will go here in property palette, and I will just discuss about these options in next tutorial. For example, on freeze. Okay, I will just plot this one. Okay, lock, how to lock. Okay, how we can change the color. Okay, how we can change the line weight as well. Okay, line type as well here, and other options here. Okay, so I will see you in the next. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.